Hey you guys, welcome back to All Things Jazzy. So in this video, I am just going to be showing you how I package up my cookies, how these bottoms look, how they look, and how I get them ready for shipping. That is what I'm showing you. So I have a variety box of cookies here. This was for an order of 11 cookies. I made it a dozen. I think I added one more just because. But I'm just showing you how the bottoms look. So I do use wax paper bags, and I left links below to my Amazon shop where you can actually go and purchase these bags. You can purchase these labels. You can purchase the heat sealer. You can get everything that you need in one place because that's what I did, and it was so much cheaper for me. So the cookies that I'm packaging up are the banana pudding, confetti cookies as well. Also, quite a few of the butter pecan cookies. That was another banana pudding cookie that I just packaged. And also, s'mores cookie. Now, I left one out because I'm going to break this s'mores cookie open so y'all can see how that marshmallow is in the inside, okay? Now, I do use the 5x7 bags, but look, this is the s'mores cookie. I am just going to break that open a little bit, and then I am going to give this to my niece and let her eat it because she loves chocolate and she loves marshmallows. Chocolate and marshmallows. Now, for my packaging box, if you've seen any of my other packing videos, you know that I put packing peanuts at the bottom. But I think I'm about to start buying bubble wrap because the post office be doing some stuff they ain't supposed to be doing with these boxes, okay? I'll be sending replacements. Now, y'all know. If y'all know me, y'all know I'll send the replacements out. So I went ahead and added some more packing peanuts on top just to cover up any of the excess holes. And that's what you see me doing now. And I'm removing any excess packing peanuts that don't need to be there because we don't want to squish the cookies. We want to secure the cookies. Now everyone gets a note in their box. Thank you note. Y'all are the heart of my business. I adore and appreciate each and every last one of my customers, clients, the shares, the talk abouts. Thank you. And then you also get a cookie care card to show you how you can care for your cookies. Yeah, I was folding that box up all the wrong way, them flaps. The flaps was going the wrong way. Now, when I know that this is specifically for a woman, y'all getting this pink tape. Unless I run out, okay? Y'all getting this pink tape. But I like to go around multiple times to make sure that the box is secured so that it doesn't pop open. Because again, we know that the post office just be throwing stuff anywhere. They be throwing it everywhere. They be squishing it with other boxes. So I like to go around it multiple times. And then what I didn't show in this video is that I took my clear tape and went around the other side and then sealed up all the little cracks so that no air could get in there and destroy y'all cookies, okay? No air at all whatsoever. Alright, so then once the box is sealed, I did get these. Now these labels, I got these from TikTok. It lets you know your cookies are going to cause happiness, you guys. Again, cookies on my website, link below. See you later.